Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today I'm before you with two different openings in two different companies of your prior designation and which you are eagerly waiting for. So in this we'll be discussing everything like eligibility criteria, the selection process, the different stages of selection process, and everything in detail about that. So before getting to this video, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest. So this is a part from our channel analytics that we have the viewers who is not subscribers. So who is a major share. So I would request you to subscribe our channel because the videos, some of the recruitment videos that we present before you is limited on time because at any time the link may get expired. So if you could subscribe our channel and activate the notification button, that is bell button too, then you will be getting at the right time so you don't miss any of the opportunity. Okay, so this is from our part to make it. So subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon too. Just don't forget for the bell icon also. And now I'm moving on to the video that we was discussing about the opening in Accenture. So the links for all these will be there in the description. You can get it from there. And the link to connect us in social media platforms are also available at the description box. Okay. Now, moving into the Accenture, this is the registration form. You'll be having a do and don'ts review regarding that. So you can see that your name must be given in full name, no short forms permitted there. Coming to the photo, you should give everything in detail, like your features must be very clear, like your eyes, nose and lips, mouth section. So this must be very clear when you go for uploading any photos, anything, because some are now having some shortage in passport size photo, which usually used to take. So you can just click it from a mobile phone itself if it is having the right clarity to identify all these features. So still you have to make clear the background is plain and your features is right, everything. Okay. Now coming to the background, if you have some background, if this like if you're not getting in a plain background at your home or something like that, then you can, there are so much tools available across internet to change the background into plain. So go for that. This is only not in the case of Accenture alone. Accenture is giving you every details, every minute details like name and photo, ID card, everything in detail. But it doesn't mean that this is only for Accenture. It is very good to follow all these rules when you apply for any other jobs, because that shows your confidence, or that shows the way that you are appearing for that position. You are requesting for that position. So definitely this will be a key point to make your candidature get noticed. Okay, so that's all about here. And after that, your government identity card. So there can be some QR code, barcode, everything, and your number. I mean, you'll be having a number like this on your government ID card. So that portion should not be disturbed with the flashlights or something like that. Everything must be clear. Okay, so it's better to scan and take photo than take the normal photo. Now, after that, you have to accept this captcha and move on to the next step for the registration. Okay, so this is the basic thing that you have to follow. So in between this, I would like to remind you something that we are offering. So with currently we are up with a new course for this, which is interview material for Infosys. It's a complete package on Infosys. So that is mainly concentrated upon Infosys, but that will definitely help you other companies too. So these are the contents that we have for that. That is basic programming questions, C, C++, Java, OOPS, Python, DBMS, machine learning, IoT, Infosys interview experience, Infosys HR interview questions and answers, electronics engineering, mechanical, electrical, operating system questions, important coding questions, tips and strategies, coding questions, Infosys DBMS and IDMS questions and answers. So it's a complete package to crack from the first selection process, like online assessment, till you get the offer in hand. So this will definitely help you. And if you've gone through the videos that we present before you through in YouTube section, you might have noticed that so much students who has been with us have got placed in so much companies by making use of our materials. Okay, so this will definitely help you. You can get it from the course store. So the link for that will be there in the description to get out this course. So this course, this complete package on everything about the materials, the video materials, the PDF materials, everything is available for you at just 125 rupees. Okay, 125 rupees. And this is a great package. I don't think that you will get these many knowledge that is too filtered according to the needs of 2021 exam pattern, everything in such a amount. Okay, so just go for that. Just don't waste your time if you're looking forward for at the earliest to go for that and start preparing. So we'll be getting enough time for revision. Okay, so don't think these many things at the last moment. Don't keep it for the last moment. Just make it as soon as possible, because you have to learn, you have to make a revision to be confident to apply for these exams. Okay, now moving on, coming back to the other Accenture, that is, yes, we'll be moving to the next step. There we'll be having a form to fill our personal details as well as eligibility criteria, job roles, everything will be discussed there, including the different stages of selection. So you can see this is a registration form. So first we have to go for this. So this is 2021 direct hiring. It is only for 2021. So I'm moving on to the eligibility criteria. This is view job description. That is, you are hiring for associate software engineer. Okay. So coming to the package details, you will be getting 3.65 something plus, depending upon the company policy, till last time. Okay. Till last hiring, this was your package available, but there can be changes, like obviously increment changes only will be there, otherwise the same will be there, or else the increment changes. Okay, so this is about the direct hiring package details. Now coming to like software engineer program, yes, this is the technical or personal skills that you must have to get onto this position. That is hands-on experience in writing code, front-end, back-end, database server, and exposure to test automation frameworks, good analytical and problem-solving skills, and proficient in verbal and communication skill, ability to troubleshoot problem independently, multidisciplinary and versatile with aptitude to learn and apply new skills faster. Learn new skills faster, build solutions in emerging technology, learn new skills. Okay, ability to work in agile or complex systems in integration, application development, security, cloud, complex deliveries, work with the key clients, potential to manage client interactions with proficiency, deliver code to time and quality expectations, and participate in peer reviews. Now, build and leverage reusable codes and libraries for future use, working knowledge with source control building, deployment, Git, TFS build definitions. Now, ability to ramp upon existing solution or project and quickly contribute towards bug fixes, take ownership of successful implementation and performance of the solution, flexible to reallocate, and 24/7 shift-based business requirements. Okay, so this is what they are looking forward in you, like the personal skills or the yes requirements. Okay, so if you are well with it, if you can cope up with it, definitely apply. Okay, now coming to the source, everything you have to provide your personal details, everything. And coming to the alternative number, please be mindful to give a secondary person number, because in case if you lost your phone or something like that, if you gave your own two numbers, then they will not be able to contact you if some progressions is there. So go for that. Now, yes, all the star fields are mandatory. You can go for that. Now we have to go for the eligibility criteria. So you can check your eligibility criteria here. They have clearly mentioned regarding everything in very much pretty detailed format. So you can see the registration process. After that, if you're eligible, they will be contacting you through mail. So just wait. Okay. Now, degree and branches will be bachelor's in engineering or technology, whose any streams like computer science and related streams are up with it. And if you're not from a computer science stream too, then you have to go for some certification course regarding that. So that is what they are accessible to. Yes, you can see here all streams and branches, or MC is okay for it if you have computer science related knowledge, because you have to attend the coding test, everything. So it is fine with them. Now, year of passing is 2021. Academic performance will be 65% or 6.5 CGPA or above. Okay. Now, the backlogs, no onboarding backlogs is permitted. Coming to the education gap, after 10th, you can have up to 1 year of education gap till then. Like after 10th, 1 year you can take for your higher secondary education, or after higher secondary, 1 year gap between your graduation. Okay. Now, work permit will be Indian citizen, Bhutan, Nepal. You have to give your personal details, like your ID card is proof. It is not, passport is not necessary, but you can go for some identity proof provided by your government. Now, Assessment details. So here they have some steps of assessment. Basically 2 stages they are conducting it. So first you'll be having a mock test in between. So it is a 20 minutes mock test. Many of the students have a high chance, or many of them used to skip this mock test because it's just a mock test, everything. But it is very important to attend the mock test of any companies, because then only we get to know that your system is compatible or not. If there is any changes to be made, then before assessment you'll get a chance to make the necessary changes. Okay, most of the students who haven't attended mock test, but coming to the assessment in between the examination, they used to fail for that. They used to miss their opportunity. So friends, you don't have to face that. We would like to recommend that. So go for the mock test and just check everything, your system was fine with what they're expecting. Okay, now coming to the assessment, you have cognitive and technical assessment. Now yes, 90 minutes to complete this assessment. So in cognitive assessment, 50 questions of 3 sections: English ability, analytical reasoning, numerical ability. Now, technical assessment includes 40 questions like common application and MS, pseudocode, fundamentals of networking, security, and cloud. Now, cognitive and technical assessment result will be notified within 5 to 10 minutes post completion. After this assessment one step, within 5 to 10 minutes, you'll be getting a mail if you are qualified. Then you have to go for the another round, which is considered as a second round. So same thing, all the instructions should be strictly followed by you. Now coming to the second phases, you will be having a coding assessment. There you'll be having 45 minutes and you'll get 2 questions on C, C++, .NET, Java, Python. You can select any of the language and go for that questions. You have to attend 2 questions. Okay. And after that, you'll be having a third round of assessment, something related to that, like you will be getting 30 minutes approximately, and you have to go through this. This is communication round. So sentence mastery, some sentence framing, missing letters, you have to join them, something like that. Like comprehensive, something like that. Now vocabularies, synonyms, antonyms, to check your vocab, how you are in meanings, everything. Now fluency is very important. You will have to make your communication in a good face manner. Not pronunciation is basically accent. So accenture is following Britain or American English, you have to go with that, and accent will be test in pronunciation. So friends, everyone knows English now. We are writing our exams in English, we are English medium school, everything is in English now. English is not that it's not rare in our generation, but accent and pronunciation is very, very important now, because everyone is differentiated according to the knowledge in English with the pronunciation and accent. So it is very important to go for that. And mock assessment details they have clearly given regarding your hardware and software specification. You just go through that and make sure your system have that compatibility and attend it. Okay. So I think it's very clear regarding all these. Now, you can complete your registration step by giving all your personal details. You can attach your CV or resume, which is less than 1 MB, and your passport size photo too, which is less than 3 MB. Now, college identity card is a must, and your registration number, university registration number, your personal details must not be disturbed by flash or glare or something. You should give it clear, okay, crystal clear, and your college name, everything should be clear. Now, government photo ID card you should give, and declaration and consent you have to provide. After that, you can submit for this job. Okay, so I think it's very clear regarding the Accenture. So without further delay, I'm moving on to the other, which is Rivature. So currently, Rivature is also hiring for the software position. So coming to the eligibility criteria, the package details, everything you can see here. Yes, they are looking forward for engineering graduates like BE or BTech students. They are looking forward for the computer science department, and if you are not a computer science student too, it's fine if you have some knowledge, or if you have underwent some course or certification in programming or something like that. Okay, so they just want you to operate computer science related field. So this is not a problem that you are from any branch or any branch, but all that they need is the knowledge. Okay, now 2020 and 2021 pass outs can go for this. Minimum 65% in engineering degree without areas, so 65%, I mean 6.5 of CGPA. Minimum 60% in 10th and 12th board exam, equivalent CGPA 2. Now good communication skill, which is a must in every job opportunities. And coming to the CTC details, 5 lakhs per annum, which is a great package for the freshers to even get. Now, opportunity to work in product development or service integrations, free boot training, Stipend during training, 5,000 rupees per month. So we'll be having a training period of some months according to technologies they'll be handling and according to the company policy. So at that time, you'll be getting 5,000 per month. And when you get into the job, you'll be getting 5 lakh per annum. Okay. Now, how do we head? There is selection process. So basically, they have 3 selection process. One is online assessment, as usual, aptitude, logical, algorithm, technical questions, coding, everything will be there. And the other, which is 1-to-1. That is, an interview will be there asking you technical questions, something like that, technical interview. Now, the other is the HR discussion. It is to evaluate your confidence level. HR will be there to interact with you. Okay, so this is about the Ravature opening, and to apply for this, you have to fill this form, upload your resume, which is less than 5 MB, which is in docs, PDF, TXT, RFT format, and submit for the opening. Okay, so I think it's very clear regarding the 2 openings like Ravature and Accenture. Openings of regarding that and how to register yourself for that, and everyone prepare well. We can also help you with so much of materials and courses. You can check our application online study for you in Play Store, or link will be there in the description. So prepare well, don't miss any of the opportunity, whether with us or without us, you independently or with anyone else. Please do prepare for every job. Okay, so I think it's very clear. If you have still any doubts, please do let us know in the comment section, and you can make your suggestions also regarding everything in the comment section. Now, until I come up with another video regarding all of the opportunities available for you, thank you everyone. Stay safe everybody, and stay tuned to online study for you.